Hello! In this video I am going to show you my new model. It's a seagull, and I first show you how to fold this flying bird, which is easier, and then from the same base I show you how to fold this standing model. For the video I take just normal copy paper, and if you want to have this color change effect, of course you have to take paper with two different colors. So let's start. First I fold the diagonals. For the final model I recommend to wet fold it, especially for the sitting bird. It's better. Okay, now we want 60-degree angles here, and therefore I just pinch in the half of the paper and fold this tip to the crease mark, starting in this corner. I only crease to this intersection of creases, and then I fold the other angle here and press the model flat in both directions, and then just crease to the middle line as a pre-crease. Now I put my finger inside here and open this flap and press it flat, like so. And now turn the model around and do the same thing. You have to change the direction of this crease. And again open it and press it flat. So that's almost the base for the two models. For the flying bird I fold this flap over and fold this crease to the middle line on both sides. Okay. By the way, this will be the top, so this will be one color and this will be the second color. So now turn it around and I make a little pleat here, like so. And if you fold it back, you see the head of the seagull and the beak. which is actually a little bit curved. So press this a little bit flat and make a curve here. Okay, and now I make a fold to shape the wing. I do it about here. First make a mountain crease, like so, and then make a valley crease moving the wing inside, and the crease should start somewhere here, like so. And now I have to lock this. I just make a mountain fold here, which goes until here, and also fold this round, so this this will not lie flat now, and I leave this because I will do a curved fold later here. But for now it's okay to lock this pleat, and do the same thing at the same place. Yeah, somewhere here. First do the mountain fold. Yeah, mountain fold, and then do the valley fold. Should be somehow symmetrical, of course. So like about like that. Then make the mountain fold here and mountain fold here, and this will sort of swivel around here. I don't make a real sharp crease here because I'm going to do a curved fold now, starting about here, and do a curve to that point. Something like that. See? And do the same thing on this side. Again, try to do this symmetrically. We sort of can lock this by folding this about here. This is not a, there's no reference point for this fold. You just define how, show here, how this shape will be here. And then I fold this over again, the tail, making a valley fold on both sides here. You see, like that. And by doing so, I can lock this curved fold a little bit. You now shape the body of the seagull, so just let's see where this should end. I think something like that is nice. And now for the wing, make another curved fold here, something like that. Start the wing, start the fold here, and then make a nice round shape here. And actually that's almost it. Sometimes you can move the head over this. It also will lock it a little bit. But when you wet fold the model, everything will stay like so. So this is the finished model. I hope you like this model and you like folding it. And I will show you the sitting bird in the next video. So hope to see you then. Bye bye.